Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Holland, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our fresh into stock VW Caddy. It's a Caddy Maxi, it's a 1.6 TDI Maxi Life 2011. It's had 3 owners, it's covered 93,000 miles, had the cam belt replaced at 71,000 miles, it's manual, it's diesel. It's down as a private light goods vehicle, diesel, but not as a commercial. There is no VAT. It hasn't been used as a van. It's been used as a car. Priced at £9,495. One of the cleanest Caddies we have ever seen. We do have the front wheel centre cap, which is missing off the front wheel, and we do have the mats that go in the rear of the car. I've just left them over the road. Just had a full MOT, just had a major service. We've done oil and filter, brake discs and brake pads. As you can see, it has rear park sensors that work and it has privacy glass. Super clean thing this. Caddy Maxi, so the long wheelbase Caddy. 2 sliding doors, 5 seats, super clean inside and out, drives beautifully. Not knocked about in any way. So rubber mats in the front, seats not worn or stained or marked at all, stained. Air conditioning, obviously. 1.6 diesel, had the cam belt replaced, super clean van, well, super clean car this, it's not a van. I do have the mats that go in the back. They're just over the road in the office. The storage under the rear footwells in those locker lids. I'll just show you in the back. It is super clean and not knocked about in any way. No marks on the headlining. Storage net still there. 1.6 diesel, so very economical, cheap to run, cheap to tax, loads of room. Get your bikes in the back or whatever you want to carry. As I say, it has got rear park sensors, privacy glass. Really lovely thing. Drives like new. Looks original. Where do you find them like this? Windows, electric mirrors, 2 keys, 2 remote keys in good condition, one's like brand new, 93,795 miles. As I say, has got aircon. Cam belt being replaced at 71,000 miles. I'm not describing it as full service history, but we do have quite a lot of bills. Probably 6 services. I'm sure it's had more, and some stamps in the service book. Really clean, tidy, well looked after. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock. We do have a later Caddy 7-seater coming in. This is a 5-seater. Or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram. If you do find us on our social media, please follow, like, subscribe. That would be great. Now this video and all of our car videos end up on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube. There's nearly 2,000 car videos on there. if you go and find us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then you will be the first to get a little notification each time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be the first person to know. Thank you very much for your time today. Obviously this is priced at £9,495 with no VAT. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.